It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. So you know that one thing you always mean to do, but you put it off for as long as possible. You tell yourself for days and days and days, I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna do it today. I'm definitely gonna do it today. And then you never do it. And then really late when you probably should be going to sleep or getting ready to go to sleep, you get a burst of inspiration to do it. That's what this video is. Now they are the second round. I'm going to be decluttering my makeup, getting rid of things that are old, don't use it, don't need it. That's it. That's all, folks. I don't have some crazy put together game plan, but I do have a decent amount of energy because I ate some hot Cheetos. So like I'm sweating, but I'm like kind of pumped up for at least the next 45 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to be going through my makeup and like just straight up throwing stuff out. Like, can I be real with y'all?
Okay.
Like I'm just gonna keep it 100. My posture is bad, ignore it. I'm gonna try to sit up straight in this video. These lipsticks in this lipstick holder, I literally don't use. I don't remember the last time I put on a regular lipstick. Like, I don't use them, but I'm not willing to get rid of them at this point in my life because the lipstick holders bring me visual pleasure. Palettes is probably gonna be the most exciting, so we're gonna save that for last. Let's start with like the stuff that I think is the least exciting. This is like my extras drawer here. I have like hair ties, nail polish, and nail polish remover in here. Not really makeup, but this is jewelry, earrings, nose rings, jewelry, regular rings, jewelry. This, I have some like wig cap stuff. I have 2 phone cases, stamps, and hand masks. So that's a pretty miscellaneous drawer. And then these last 2 are full of lashes. But honestly, I think I need to get rid of this nonsense drawer and put lashes in it too because I have too many lashes. Like let me just show you guys. Guys, I have a legitimate like obsession. And I've been saying this on my channel for a while, but like it's kind of a call for help. Like nobody's helping me. I'm trying to tell you guys I have a lash addiction and nobody wants to contact Oprah or Ayan Van Zant, and it's getting out of control. I have the Kiss So Wispy Jet lashes, the Ardell Wispies with just 1 pair left. I have iLore JB lashes. I have a INV 3D collection in 123. I have a pack, I don't know where they went, of Iconic 05 lashes. This is a Kiss INV, I think, too. I have a pack of Iconic 03 lashes, and Ardell Double Up, don't know where that went. This is 3D collection 113, but those are the ones I'm wearing now. Aren't they huge? I'm effing obsessed. And then I have iLore lashes, and I have these Salon Perfect Demi Wispies. These were like Ardell dupes, and they, especially because of the size mostly, they don't all fit together well. So first of all, I need to like this Ardell Double, like I don't know where this is, but I have eyelashes everywhere. So let me see if I can find these, and like the empty ones, I'm gonna see if I can actually find those lashes, and if not, it's a wrap. Nah, that's not a wispy, that's a double up. Okay, so these are my 2 newest ones. I haven't even opened these yet. I cycle through lashes so fast, it's like sad. But the ones that I have on now are bomb, guys, like for real. It is, go ahead and screenshot the Kiss INV 3D collection in 113. Can y'all see that? There you go. Boom. Okay, and now I'm gonna put all my lashes together. And this one here, I'm gonna empty out because it's like a complete nonsense drawer. I have a different place for the rest of my phone cases anyway. This is a broken Michael Kors case. I'm a mess. So yeah, and I'm gonna put more lashes in this. Next, we're gonna move on to ASMR mascaras. I don't use mascara. There's one mascara that I think is and that is this one, the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama. This one is all mascaras kind of do the same thing, and none of them really work. Mascara is pretty much only good for blending falsies. Sorry, I know it's probably an unpopular opinion, but I said what I said. Better Than Sex is okay too, so I'll keep that one. Pretty much every other mascara I don't like or it's dried up, so that can go. This is a brow mascara, so that I'm gonna keep because I still use that sometimes if I'm doing like a boy brow kind of thing. All these other mascaras can go. Well, this Makeup Forever one is like okay, and then the They're Real isn't that old, but it's just okay, so I'll keep it. I know mascara is not something you're necessarily supposed to share, but like I do what I want, so maybe I'll give it to like my younger sister. But like, look, this is like all my mascaras right here, and all these other ones down here are like going in the trash because I can't. And most of them are old, so I really can't donate them. Next, we have little palettes. Now, this Naked Basics, don't use anymore. This is like so 2000 and late, but I'm gonna keep it because I'll probably give this to my younger sister. These e.l.f. quads, I don't know why I still have these. Like, girl. You know what though? I've had those for so long that those were some of the first eyeshadows that I owned. No joke. Like some of the first drugstore shadows that I owned. So maybe they deserved a funeral. But along with this NYX trio, also one of the first eyeshadows that I've owned. So let's give them a little funeral because no joke, like throwing them away is kind of hard because I feel attached to them. I've had them for so long. Like I've been doing makeup for years and these are still in my collection from like day one. When I was like still in high school, like babysitting for $20 and like buying cheap makeup. So we're gonna hold a little funeral service for them. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I'm so like outlandishly annoying. We're gonna keep Naked Basics because I'll probably give it to my little sister. This I feel really nostalgic about too. Oh my god. I don't remember how many times I repurchased these darn things. The Revlon, these like Revlon shadows. If y'all have been watching like makeup videos for a long time, you already know about this. Like this is like the throwback days. And I'm keeping this because I still use it sometimes. This one's like kind of newer, even though it looks beat. I'll use it very sparingly, like very like once in a while, but I still use it sometimes. So yeah, we got those down. I also need to wipe off my acrylic drawers, but like don't worry about that. That's none of your business. That's not what you're watching this video for. So this is a Clinique Pep Start. Don't need that anymore. It's done. This is the last primer I tried. The NYX Photo Loving Primer. Primers don't work. I think primers are a facade. So next. Wait, but this Clinique Pep Start was really good on like the under eye area though. I have the NYX HD Photogenic Finishing Powder and the Smashbox Powder, and then of course the LA Girl Pro Powder. Now, both of these are trash. I have one powder left in my makeup collection. Liners, brow pencils, eyeshadow primers, like chubby sticks. So yeah. I buy these same foundations over and over again, as you can see. The same exact foundations over and over again. So I have Milani Conceal and Perfect. I have 2 Matte Poreless Fit Me's. And these are just the ones I have now. Like, I've bought so many. 2 Matte Poreless Fit Me's. 2 Dewy Smooth Fit Me's. I have a Can't Stop, Won't Stop in Sienna? Yeah, in Sienna. I have a BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation. I don't even remember how this works. I mean, that's how long it's been since I've used this. I have a Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation. That was aight. And then I have a L'Oreal Infallible in a LA Colors. This one off the bat is like done. I've used this to like cover my brows once, I think. Funny story, when I was repurchasing the Milani Conceal and Perfect, the last 50th time that I repurchased it, I remember I forgot what my color was, and I didn't take a picture of the bottle before I left. So I was freaking out, thinking, oh my god, am I getting the right color when I was buying it? And I did. Foundation drawer. Lastly, in this thing, we have singles brow pomades, and glitters. Random elf single. I think I'm gonna keep this one actually. What if I ever need, no, but I have like 20 shades that are just like this. I don't need that, I'm bugging. NYX multitasking glitter primer, need to keep this. I have 4 elf eyebrow kits, and I'm only gonna keep the ones that still even have like brow product in it and aren't super dried out. So this one's done, and so is this one. Ironically enough, the 2 that still have like the plastic protecting them on them are still good. And so take care of your stuff, kids. Don't be like me. This blue Almay shadow, I'm gonna get rid of because I don't really like it. Blue glitter, keeping. Pink glitter, keeping. Let me tell you a story about this pink glitter. I knew that I bought it. I went to go use it in a look while I was filming, had a mental breakdown because I couldn't find it. And then I was just like, wow, like I'm really effed up in the head. I thought I bought this pink glitter, and then I found it a month later. So we're keeping it. 2 gold glitters, keeping. At one point I had lost the other one. These sticky Wet n Wild glitters served its purpose for like a day, but that's done. Look how bare. Oh my god, I'm getting rid of so much makeup. Okay, palettes. Let's get into it. Too Faced Best Year Ever palette. It was a Christmas gift from Paul. I'm keeping it because not only was it a gift, it's some really good shadows in here. Like, this is a dope Too Faced palette. Morphe 35B. You already know I'm not getting rid of this. I use it all the time, and the colors are so good. If you don't have it, you're bugging. Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. Keeping. Those 2 e.l.f. contour kits from earlier. Keeping. This Tardis, I said NYX, I'm bugging. This Tardis Pro Glow palette is completely busted, dusted, disgusted, finished. Old. I've ruined it anyway. I don't know why I even kept it this long. My glow kit, I only half ruined. Okay, I only ruined 1 pan so I can keep it. Modern Renaissance palette. Keep. It's a classic. I'm not ready to let go of it yet. Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Keep. It's not a classic, but why get rid of it? Like, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. My Tartelette palette, I'm only keeping for the mirror because this palette was trash. LA Girl brow kit, I'm keeping because the product in this is pretty good, but the brow wax really slaps. Oh, I didn't even show you this, did I? The James Charles Morphe palette. I mean, what do you think? Of course I'm gonna keep it. I'm bugging. Like, I'm so tired now. I need to go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. I need to declutter my closet next. If you want to watch me declutter my closet, I could film it, I guess. Yeah, I could do that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on Instagram. And if I don't catch you on Instagram, I'll see you in my next video. Muchos besitos.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All this